So, ito yung program nila. Ayan. Good morning! Mag-vlog tayo ngayon kasi may pupuntahan tayo na symposium ng mga doctors. So, I am just getting ready. Tuko ka? Bang! 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 Tuko! Bang! Bang! Bang, di mo labot, bang. Bang. Dili lagi malabot la, sige. So, tatapusin ko lang tong makeup ko, guys. At sasama ko kayo mamaya, okay? We are on our way to CDU para sa symposium with Ate Jo. Hi! Late na kami. Full time, 3 p.m. at 3 something na. 3 something na? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Cebu Doctors na school. Currently yung program ito yung program nila. Advanced Seminar in Hospital Administration or Management and Practicum. Yan. Ito yung invitation nila. Sayang, wala ka diri, Lindsay. Food is served first before the symposium. Money una. Yeah.
Good afternoon. I am Ferdinand Miranda, the Batch President of the NUC.
Anyway, good afternoon. Welcome to this very informative session. This is practical actually for the students of Mahad 108. And
speaker for this afternoon is a good friend of mine since I have my rotation surgical trauma with the St. Crisosto Medical Center in 1991. Antonio Roque Paradela.
Good afternoon. Sila is one of the signatories. Certificate of appreciation to Dr. Antonio Roque R. Paradela for sharing his knowledge and expertise as speaker during the Mahad 108 seminar on the topic Hospital and Physicians, a medical legal perspective looking beyond hospital management. Given this day of our Lord, 11th of March 2017 at Cebu Doctors University Auditorium. Signed, Advisor 108, Ani Arsenal, Dean Graduate School, Dr. Efren Valiente, and University Officer.
Hi! I'm home na. So, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog doon sa symposium kasi nahihiya ako sa mga doctors. Most of them are Most of them are doctors pala. And, yes, parang lahat sila doctors. Yung iba ay, mga interns ata. So, kami lang yung guest na hindi good doctors. Pero anyway, meron naman ako medical background. Pero ayun nga. No, Dwayne! It's not for you! No? Ay. Batang ito, oh. Oh. Yan. Yan. Kinukuha yung mga makeup ko sa loob ng aking bag. No! 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 No. Sige. Return na. Return. Let's go down. Batang ito. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo yan. Oh, that's not for the neck. That's not for your neck, babe. Say hi. Say hi sa vlog, babe. Say hi. Say hi. Dwayne. Say hi. Hi. Asus. Hi. Say hi ba? Pero anyway, ang dami kong natutunan kanina sa symposium or sa seminar na yon kasi it's all about patients' rights, yung mga malpractice at negligence, basta yun sa mga doctors kung ano yung nila yung like basta yun na. Basta, ang dami ko natutunan. Meron na pala ngayon, guys, in-implement na pala ni President Duterte na kapag na-hospital ka sa public hospital, yung teka ba? Yun na nga. So, meron na pala ngayon na in-implement ni President Duterte na kapag hospital ka sa isang public hospital at gusto mong pumili ng private room pero wala kang pang down, pwede na siya. Like, pwede ka nang kumuha ng private room without i-down payment sa hospital. Tingnan nyo nga tong batang ito. Kulit, ang kukulit-kulit. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Hoy! May sinisipon kasi ito, guys. Pero anyway, kakain na ako ng aking dinner kasi gutom na ako from the symposium. Kasi hindi na kami kumain after. Hi, so much with that. I am going to eat na my dinner kasi nagugutom na talaga ako. Yan. See you. Good morning! At ngayon ay papunta kami sa simbahan kasi may i-attend kami na binyag. Ha? Yeah! Isa lang. Attend kami ng binyag ngayon sa anak ng ninong ni Damien. Or hindi pala. Sa anak ng kapatid ng ninong ni Damien. Actually, si Wendell lang yung brother lang yung inilita, pero pinasama pa din kami kasi kilala naman namin yun. Pero anyway, papunta na kami sa simbahan ngayon. They are here. Nay. This is how the church like. Yung Redemptorist Church. Dito kinasal yung parents ko. Dwayne, come here, Dwayne. Go. Come on. Yan. Bata makulit. Batang yan. Tingnan niyo ang batang yan. And this. Look at this face though. This face though. Pero anyway, dito kinasal yung parents ko sa Redemptorist Church. Yan. At yan yung bininyagan na bata. Yan yung bibinyagan na bata. Yes, we are here now sa venue. Pero hindi ako nag-set up. Hindi ako ang nag-set up ng balon na yan. Video. Yung yellow kayo. As born. Hi, Bo. Meron pala silang photo booth dito. Kasi they own CNJ. CNJ to, no? CNJ to, ring, no? CNJ photo booth. And I am ilalagay ko yung link down below. Hi, Ding! Happy birthday.